Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering General Knowledge. I request you viewers please subscribe my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot to make a better videos. Really I motivate when you share my videos, comments and like my videos. Guys, today I came with another new topic. Plans of villa type house 60 feet 8 inch into 63 feet 5 feet with a double height lobby. Guys, this plan has a ground floor plan and the first floor plan. One by one explain and everything. Ground floor plan of a villa type house. Guys, this is the ground floor of this floor plan. Guys, ground floor plan of this villa. This is the entry for this floor, ground floor. This is the stairs. This is the veranda. Size is 28. Guys, this is the drawing room. The size is 23 feet. This is the fireplace. Guys, this is bedroom. See, this is entry. This is the steps, the veranda. From here we do have a two window entrance to drawing room. From here we going to bedroom here, and from this room we going to enter to the lobby here. Guys, from this bedroom we have another door here to a second bedroom, and from here there is a stair to the upper floor. From this room we can go to the bedroom here and fireplace, and from here we are going to enter to the bedroom number 4, and this is the washroom. This is basically called as master bedroom because it include a washroom, and this is also for this bedroom. Also, this is a common toilet, washroom, WC for this both the room. Guys, again this bedroom has a washroom here. This is a master bedroom. Guys, again from here this is the store room. One is a kitchen. This is door from to have enter to the store, and from kitchen we are coming here from passage. This is again the bedroom. This is the stair going up to the first floor. This is again the bedroom. From this bedroom there's way to washroom, and coming here to veranda for a garage side here. This guys, this is a very interesting floor plan villa type house. You can see all dimensions. It's a ground floor plan with double height lobby. Guys, built up area of this villa type is 60 feet 8 inch by 63 feet 5 inch. Guys, the villa is constructed of both 3,846 square foot area. If we multiply that, this one becomes 3,846. The design plan of the ground floor shows 5 bedrooms with the attached washrooms of different size, with a passage of 5 feet 8 inch wide, 7 fireplace in the kitchen, bedrooms and drawing rooms. The use of fireplace is to keep the room warm to a certain temperature. Fireplace is a structure made of fire durable brick designed to a certain fire. Wood burning fireplace used where the temperature fall to the minus degree in winter. They gives a sense of warmth in the room. A double height lobby means a height of lobby is more as it is not separated by slab or any other barrier. Two veranda, one's at the entrance and other as the garden area. The veranda from garden side is about 15 feet 6 inch wide and has a brick flooring on the surface. It is covered with the roof by the double MS pipe, mild steel pipe. The guest can enjoy the panoramic view of the garden from that side. Guys, again, guys, request to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Guys, I will link up this all file and just plan drawing on description of video. You can get it, download it and review it with yourself. Guys, then a continuation of this, one single kitchen from where we can go to the basement as well. See the ground floor plan above. 4 washrooms attached to the bedrooms. We can also go down to basement as well from the veranda to garden site if needed. First floor plan of a villa house type. Guys, this is the first floor plan. You can see that here we have a bedroom, and this here this is a washroom, this is the fireplace with all dimension, this is our windows, this is the ventilators, this is also ventilators, this is washroom and toilets. These are the doors. From outside we can also enter to this washroom. This is the door coming to this area passage. From here we are entering to the bedroom number C, and this has attached with the washroom with this area. See this ventilator and a separate door from here. This bedroom also has a fireplace, windows here, a big window from here, and we can come here for the second floor. This is a stair from here. This is passage wide, 4-inch wide. Guys, from this area we can go to bedroom number B. This is fireplace with this all dimensions. See this windows, this is a door, this is a large window opening, this is a washroom. Guys, this is another bedroom number D. This is all, see the bed and the windows and ventilators. Guys, this is first floor plan. You can see all dimensions, everything. The design plan of first floor plan. 4 bedrooms with attached washroom of different sizes with a passage of 5 feet 8-inch wide. 4 fireplace in different bedrooms. 4 bedrooms with attached washroom of different size with a passage of 4-inch wide. A stair with a passage to enter the room joint and the floor. Guys, this was a quick introduction to this floor plan that I explained. Guys, I will link up this floor plan to description of this video. You can get it, download it, and make advantage of this. Guys, kindly request to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. It really motivate me and encourage me to make better videos. Thank you guys, have a nice time. Bye bye.